Engare no koludo moroto kesda delo sebe Imuudun iwongon luda itosoma wanoda koko Itunga lo town. Ikulepe Imuudun kesde bakebe koda kena kede ngare no luda ituro sebe mam kese tiroro.
Sincerely, these are the guys who are coming out of leaders. They are children of leaders in this town and in this district. And I know you may say, why are we not getting these people? These people are in touch with their own relatives.
Because whenever I talk about you, I'm working in Karamoja, people are saying, hey, you man, how are you going? We are cows and the other dignitaries, they are moving with the gunmen. Why is that problem? I know cattle rustling has been here, but people are not killing each other. But today, why is the gun in Karamoja?
There are 4 guns moving in this town. They are there. So they're telling me there are 4 bad people. You are not picking them. What shall we do, poor civilians? There are those who have been mandated by the state to handle security issues. What do you want us to do? Because if you are failing, why don't you go away so that we know that there is nobody?
Michael Ongole lodere rabango loka police aringi nado Karamoja nyezda balebe mambere kesedu munto sakironi Imuudun kalo.
That there are 4 guns which are in town. Maybe you need to give us some detailed information on that later. You give us, and then we see how we can follow. Because it may be true, may give us some success in the recovery of arms.
Konyedo angoro keside monye tebe tio chama kina ikesa jauno tomana inapeta nuda idemi Imuudun nara ikese jenete irotini luda ikesi kilio.
But now, when issues of security come, men cannot manage. Better use a woman, because this is my husband. I am always with him here. In the same house every day. I know how many guns he has. I will tell my friend that, you know, my husband has a gun. How many? 4. They will come here, he will have to remove them. The other one also, even mine has. Even the other one says, even mine has. And you find that those guns are being removed peacefully, without what? Without a struggle.
Some leaders like us, it's not the time for soliciting votes. I should call a spade a spade. Sure. A big spoon, a big spoon. Now I'm appealing to security. In the case if there are the sons of leaders somewhere trying to intimidate us here, telling me na chap, I will speak out. I will die alone. My children will remain there.
Kwenye deja ngono da police nyezde balebe adumutu keskope kwa na Imuudun iwongon sabita loda tubori aitodolo kwa na Imuudun kere nepeta kwa takaisa kanyalo kanyi kezo kwa na dumu na nyuna giuno toripotoloi lo salama kwa wote.
Total guns recovered this week are 4 in number. 2 Karamojong warriors were also put out of action. We also managed to arrest 10 of them, 10 warriors who are on a raid mission. We have charged them for being in possession of illegal firearms and cattle rustling, and they will soon appear in court.
Godfred Eyoko, TV East, Karamoja.